I'll record this one, so we'll be able to have something to fall back to. Coming. Let me add this one. I'm coming. Okay. All right. Let me go to my settings. So this is how you go about it. The first thing you want to do. I hope you are seeing my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
So you see, you type in office2.jifu.com. office2.jifu.com. That is where you log to the your back office. So now you log into your back office. I'm going to surprise you. I'll show you something that just happened today for you to know how good these scanners are. Okay. So yeah, so you log into JIFU already. This is JIFU back office. All right. Now, for the scanners, of course, all these ones you must have gone through, but for the scanners, let's talk about that. You come to JIFU Academy. Can you see it? JIFU Academy.
Yeah.
You click on it, then you go to JIFU Live. It is important you do this on your laptop. Why? Because
I did it this morning.
You what?
I did that this morning. I was even watching some videos using the laptop this morning.
Awesome. Good. That's the way to go. So now, when you do that, because on your system, you'll be able to see the scanners very well. Now, when you click on the live, it takes you to another portal where you have to sign in. So you sign in again, the same password, the same ID. Now, look at it. On this part, you have the university, you have the news, you have the scanner, home, of course. Now, there are 3 ways you make money, or 3 major ways you make money here in Forex. I won't say 3 ways. Let me say, because there are several ways to make money. But when it comes to Forex, to trade Forex and to be profitable, there are 3 areas. Okay. Number 1, you can start with the educators. So all the educators, they have what we call live sessions. On the live sessions, they are tasked to trade so you can make money. You trade together with them. They trade on their own account. You trade also, you have the opportunity to chat with them, to talk with them. Okay. While they are showing you how they use the scanners, how they trade, you can ask questions, things you don't understand. And when it's time to take trade, they will tell you guys that, guys, okay, I'll be buying from here. Okay, put your stop loss here, put your TP here. Is a buy stop, is a buy limit, is a sell stop, sell limit. They'll give you all those instructions. Hope you understand what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
So that's the first way of making money. Now, how do you know the sessions, or how do you go with them? There's an app on the link I sent to you that links you to the group. There is one of the instructions that you download 2 apps. The first one is JIFU Connect. I think it's about 1 app, yeah. JIFU Connect. The other one is Mighty Network, which is the one for the group. Now, the JIFU Connect app, right after this call, I'm going to take you through it. I don't know if you have done it, watching the videos. I'll help you subscribe to the educators. So you will have notification on your phone when they are ready, when they are on. Okay? But another best way is you come to this part. When you get here, go to university. Okay? When you get to university, you see we have all the money you paid covers all of this. If you are interested in all of this, you make money from crypto trading and then learning. You make money from Forex. You can make money from e-commerce, social media, leadership, and everything here. Okay, but we are on Forex now. Let's focus on that. Now, you need to change the time. Okay, you need to change the time to favor your zone. What time zone do you use there? Is it GMT +1 or GMT in Gambia? Just GMT, right?
Yeah.
So this is your time. So you leave it at GMT, okay? Now you go to Forex. You go to Forex. When you click Forex at university, it will show you all the educators and the timetable and their time they come on. For example, this was for the current week. Now, from this week we are entering, which is tomorrow. Yeah. So Sunday, Monday, yeah, that's it. Okay. So
Okay.
for today now, around 3 a.m. today, it has happened already. This guy came on to teach. So this is how you look at it. So Monday now, you are looking forward to see Manny Quininos. Okay. His name is Manny
Yeah.
Quininos. Okay. Or we call him Manny Q. Okay. Now he comes up 1 p.m. on Monday. Now you'll come to his session. He's very good at smart money concepts. He uses smart money concepts. You've heard about that before, SMC trading.
Yeah. Yeah.
He'll give you the entry, give you all the things you need to make money. He's always like, his win rate is 90%.
Okay.
And do you know why all of these guys have high win rates? Because one of the criteria to stay relevant is win. You're winning is what makes you stay relevant. So everybody works hard to make sure that they win trades. Okay. So 3 p.m. you
Okay.
have these guys. Yes, yes. 3 p.m. you have this guy. Minute. All right, 3 p.m. you have him. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So around 3 p.m. you have him. Let me hide this thing so I can see clearly. All right. 3 p.m. you have this one. Then 5 p.m. you have him. Your time. This guy, you make money on the session, is the king of US 30.
Okay.
US 30. If you want to make money on US 30, this is a guy. He uses one of the scanners called Kill Shot. While this one
Yes,
uses
sir.
the scanner called Smart Monix.
Okay.
Yes, Smart Money is a scanner that trades SMC, Smart Money Concept, with harmonic pattern. While Kill Shot is a type of scalping scanner, okay, for mainly for volatile pairs like BTC, US 30, gold, NAS 100, SPS 500, and so on and so forth, SP 500, and so on and so forth. So this is how you know.
Okay.
So you come to this and then you write the time down so you don't forget. You join them in the live session. How do you join them? Of course, it's simple. You click. When you click, you see, it tells you, let's say the event is already on. It's going to be showing click to join live. Then you click, you join the live session. Here you'll be seeing the messages where you can interact with the educator while he's doing the analysis. Okay? Just a minute.
Okay.
All right. So now, um, the thing that how you use this place is the first way you make money. The second way you make money is the app, tap and trade app, which is the one that's where they send signals also, where you tap, it copies and take the trade to your MT4 or MT5. Then the third way is the scanners. For me, I love the scanners and the live session a lot. And the tap and trade is also good, right? But then, yeah, this is it. So now let's talk about the scanner. First thing I want to show you is today in the morning. I hope it's still there. Let me see if it's still there. Now, we have different scanner here. Just like
I'm
if you
still
have
here.
seen my video,
Yeah.
you would have seen I explain all the scanner, right? So the golden era
Yeah.
golden era is a kind of scanner that sends you signals based on price action. Now, the market is closed, so we're going to be looking at BTC to use it as example here because, it's always open under the crypto because this place is the Forex. This is the commodity where you trade US oil, gold, and silver, the rest of them. Here is crypto, and there is indices. All right, so this is the only market alive. Now, here, the golden era sends you signal whenever it sees a good setup based on price action. Simple, higher, high, higher, low, demand and supply, but it does that on just a 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame and gives you TP1, TP2, which of course, TP1 is always equals the amount of risk you put, while TP2 gives you double of the risk. So it's like having twice the reward of your risk. Hope you understand that.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Now, so today, let's go to the next one. That's golden era now. The next one is called trend wave. I like this one a lot. I mean, it's one of the ones I like. Because now look at trend wave. This idea came in the morning. Sell BTC, and look at it. It has hit all the TPs. If you go to
Okay.
the group, you see a lot of people making money, posting their money.
I've seen it this morning.
You saw this
I mean,
setup, right?
yeah, I've seen it.
Now look at it now. See, all TPs eat. Look at it. It gave
Absolutely.
around here when the BTC was 86,000, and look at where BTC is now. BTC is around 83,000. Imagine you took this trade, you will have made so much money. Do you see why this kind of
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
Good. So now I'm going to show you how you take this trade. Okay, things you need to look out for. Okay.
Okay.
But you see that most of the times, like 95% of the time, when the trade gives you signal is a win. Not all the time. Let's confirm.
Okay.
For example, the scanner gave a short here. This was a win. This is the one that we made today. Wow. I mean, this is a very big, I really love this. The scanner is really something that gives me joy. Now, look at this one. It gave a buy here.
Yeah.
Buy here. And it worked for at least a short move. Look at, so it gave a buy here. Look at the scanner. When you see the signal here, the triangle gives the buy.
Yeah.
This candle was the one that caused the buy. So let's say you bought here. What would have happened? You have bought here at this after this candle closed. You bought here. We always be now. At least you would have made some, but not enough. You understand? But you'll have made some money. You see that it's not enough move, right? Because after that, it came back to entry and all that. You see?
Yeah.
I'll tell you how to look for good trade. I mean, how to take good ones. Sorry, like this. You'll have made like 0.79. So which means, let's say you use $100 on this trade as your risk. You will have made $79 profit. For me, I like to trade a setup that gives me minimum of double of whatever I risk. That's me. Yeah. So for me, I don't count this as a good one. Yeah. But then it is what it is. So also, it's called another long here. And remember how it works is this candle that breaks this blue line. You see this blue line? Whenever the candle breaks it upward, and the market is now on the other side of it. Okay, you see it now? Then you take a buy. If you are taking a buy here too, you will only make small money. Small money, not up to. You see, the stop loss is bigger. So for me, I don't take trades like that. Now, let's say, how do you prevent this is what I'm going to show you, okay? But then let me just first, I want to be done with everything I want to show you. So imagine the market called, the scanner called, okay, long here. Didn't make any call here. The scanner didn't make any call here. Okay, but the scanner made a call here. Okay, it made a call here. Okay, good. Look at this one. Called a long. Yeah. Okay. So this one, if you had taken this one, maybe you would have made at least let me see. So you call the short here. So meaning you enter the trade market here. Your stop loss is going to be below the call. You see it now? You make sure your stop loss is just below the long candle. The candle that's the long. You see the long written here?
Yes.
So this one would have been good because at least it gave twice. See? Twice. Look at this. 2 times of your risk. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
But the scanner always give you the TP, the SL, and everything. Okay? So you don't need to worry yourself about this one. I'm just giving you this based on just to show you in the past that a lot of trades were win already. Like, look at this one too. It's a good one. This one was a good one too. It was a good one. The scanner called short here. This is the candle that broke, right? After the break of the candle, take your trade here. You make sure your stop loss is just a little bit above. You see, above the last candle, above that short here. What the short? And what happened? It gave how many? Did it give up to 2? It didn't give up to 2. Well, okay. And this which means if you had traded this one with $100, it will have given you $172, which is okay. Profit. $172. like that. You understand, right? See this one, and so on and so forth. Now, but then, whenever these trades are called, parameters will come up. It always give you new parameters. Like this one now that is as done now, you see, it's going to give another parameter soon. As soon as you get a good setup, it will change this one, maybe to further sell or to buy, when probably if it has gotten to a zone. So what makes you to take this? I want you to note this. Do you have a jotter with you? Are you jotting?
Yeah, I'm having a book.
Okay, book. Okay, good. So the first thing you want to look at is, even if the whole thing is saying sell, before you sell, you want to ask yourself, you come to time frame. Come to like, for me, I come to like maybe 1 hour. If the market is saying sell, you now come to 1 hour. You see, there's a new setup for 1 hour sell. You see, it has ETP2 now. So you come to 1 hour. You want to be sure this market is on a downtrend.
Yeah.
Sometimes I go to as much as 4 hours. Just want to be sure that the market is downtrend. That's number one confirmation. Let me write it here. Number one, you ask yourself before you take this trade. A downtrend or uptrend. I will use this. On a higher time frame. On 1 hour or above. TF. That's time frame, okay? That's the first thing you want to ask yourself. Now, second thing you want to ask yourself, sorry, I'm coming. All right, so the second thing you want to ask yourself is, after you have confirmed that, so you want to know if the market is downtrend or uptrend. Now, if you look at this, is this downtrend or uptrend?
It's a downtrend.
Good. So that is the first thing you ask yourself. Now, the second thing you ask yourself now that you know the trend, you go back to the time, which is 5 minutes.
Okay.
Second thing you want to ask yourself is, look at this line, this EMA, not the one here. This is the 20. This is like 50 EMA. Okay?
Okay.
To ask yourself is, is that thing has moved out. Let me see it again if it's there on 4 hours. What I typed before. Okay. I know what to do. All right, you go back to 4. You now go to 5 minutes. Go back to that time, 5 minutes. Let me put it in on my favorite 1 hour, 4 hour. Sometimes I even use daily. On Friday, I sent 4 signals from this app alone, from this scanner alone, and all the 4 hit profits. All the 4, yeah, on Friday. You will see Monday. Monday is here. Monday is just by the way, right? All right. So now we are in 5 minutes, okay? So let me do that here. I want to put all those stuff here. Let me reduce the size of the font. All right. Hey, Imoro. Hey, Imoro. So the first one is the market is uptrend or downtrend. Now it's down, it's not downtrend. You know that. Second thing is, you see this primary EMA is called primary EMA, primary. Okay. Now, the market below or above it? Right now, is it below?
It's below.
Good. So,
it's below.
So you want to ask yourself, is the market or is the price? You can use the word price, okay? Below or above 50 EMA. That's the second question you want to ask yourself. Hope you're understanding. You're enjoying this, right? That's the second question. Now, the thing you want to ask yourself, is gonna call this trade. The scanner call this trade. You see how simple this is? You don't need much to take a trade.
Yeah.
Because let me tell you, for the scanner to call this trade, apart from everything you see here, there are other things that are involved, the volume and all that are embedded in this scanner, which we are not seeing, right? Also, the fourth one, I think I should arrange it. I will arrange it the right way now. This should be the first one. The scanner call the trade, very important. The reason I put that one there is sometimes you want to take the trade, even when the scanner has not called. But the only thing is, the time you're ready to take the trade, the scanner must have called it. So the second thing is it a downtrend or uptrend? You need to know the trend. The trend must be in line with what the scanner called. If the scanner says it's a sell, then the trend, you want it to be downtrend when you go check it on a higher time frame. That's how to be safe and have more wins than losses. Not that there will not be losses, but it will be very minimal. It will help your risk management. Okay. Now the next thing is, which is I believe the last one. You come down to this area. You see, don't ever take any sell except the market has got into this blue zone.
Okay.
And don't ever take any buy except the market is around the red zone. So in Forex, or especially with smart money concept, there's what we call premium and discount.
Okay.
The premium is at the top, the discount is at the top, at the bottom. Premium, you only sell from premium, you buy from the discount. So that is what you have here. That is another thing. So in other words, is the market at the premium, which is the blue. Let me just use the color to make it easy. Is the market at the blue zone or at the red zone? Or at the red zone. You know why? You what? What do you do at red zone? You buy or you sell?
You buy.
What do you do from the blue zone? You sell or you buy?
You sell.
Good. Always know this, right? Now, I think last one. Now, this one is not a must, but when you see it, it gives you extra confirmation. Okay? Extra confirmation. And that is the divergent. So this is a bonus. I'll write a bonus. Bonus. When there's a divergent, there's money to be made. Okay? Now, so what do you look out for the divergent? Now, if you look at here, if you bring your cursor to this part, where this line is, now you see the market, the divergent is going downwards. When it goes downward, it means the market is upward. Okay, when it moves from, like when you see it move like this, let me use it here so you understand. No. Let me use this one. Let me use the info line. So when you see the market goes this way, when you see the divergent go this way, you see now?
Yeah.
That means the market is what? That means the market is on its way up.
Oh.
Do you get?
Yeah.
But when you see it go this way, that means the market is on its way down.
Yeah.
You understand? So
all right. So that's this blue zigzag line, or
no, the one on top of the blue zigzag. The blue zigzag line is showing you the market, the uptrend, downtrend in the oscillatory way.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, the red line that is crossed.
Yes. So now, if it's a buy, if you see a divergent for a buy, like this one now, you see it now. Do you see it down like this?
Yeah.
Okay. If you trace it,
Yeah.
if you trace where that down is, let me show you now. Let's trace it so you see what I'm saying. This is the cross. Look at the beginning of this.
Yeah.
You see that the market is on its way up.
Up, yeah, exactly.
Even here, up. Same here.
Yeah.
If this one is down, is when the market is still up. Sorry. Now, you see this one also? It's still up because it's what? It's going from up down. You see it? Up. Now, let's see if there's one in the past that is down. Okay, I think this one. Okay, no, it's still the same. This one is up. Look at it. It's up here, long. It's up, long. I'm looking for the one that is looking, okay, good. Now look at this one. Look at this green. Can you see it now? You see the green going up?
Okay.
You see this one from down going up? Look at it, it's for sale.
Yeah.
Do you see it now?
Yeah.
See this one also up is when you sell. Look at it. It's around the sell candle, this area, sell.
Yeah.
So that's like a bonus. But the most important ones, when you check all these ones, you are in good time. Now, when you finally check all these four and they are there, take the trade, put your SL, and watch it as you make money. That's how you use trend wave. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Do you have any question?
No, not yet.
Maybe you need to take a screenshot of these rules or you're writing them down?
Yeah, I'm writing and I'm also recording my screen.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, you're recording your screen. Good. So I can even do this.
Exactly.
Screenshot, put it on my desktop. Put it here. All right. Scanners. This is for smart movies. I'll use this one for JIFU trend wave. Trend wave. Caps. Trend wave. All right. Now, this is the one that you always get the setup for this one. The next one, smart monies. This is for smart money concept. Okay. Smart money concept. Now, for the smart money concept, with this one, you see, most times you don't need to do much confirmation, as a matter of fact. Because why? Smart money concept only give you signal when liquidity has been taken. I don't want to mention all those technical terms. Remember, you know why? Because this is supposed to be the AI. The reason for this AI is actually for even a newbie to be able to take trade easy just by following rules and guidelines. Now, BTC is called for a buy. You see, based on smart money concept. Now, why I like smart money concept is because it gives you more profit, less risk. You get, for example, if you look at this one, the entry, the SL already, let's say you are risking $10 on this trade. By the time you hit TP1, it must have give you $20, which is times 2 of your, that's double of your what? Of your risk. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Good. So if by the time you're at TP2, that is like 4 times, that's $40. By the time you're on TP3, that is like $60, 6 times of your risk. Okay. Now, what are the things you need to look out for here? As soon as the setup is up, number one, the volume is placed. There is volume here also, but what you need to look at before you do your final, before you take the trade, even if the setup is there, is what we call a signature candle. And look at them. These are signature candle. All this black candle here. Okay. Now, when you look at this candle, when you see a candle that is unusual around the entry, then it's good. Like this one, this blue. Do you see it now? The moment this one closes, you see this candle, you must wait for a candle like this that is different from green and red to close.
Yeah.
As soon as it closes above the entry, you set a buy limit. You must always do a limit because the market will come back and tap into it. You set a buy limit and then to tap and then take you up. Okay?
All right.
Yes. Then sometimes if the market is coming from here, also is the same. You must break, close, set your buy limit, it takes you and then goes up. Like now, whoever took this is already in profit. You understand? Already in profit.
Yeah.
The market is moving. That is how smart money work. Another thing for double confirmation is, apart from the signature candle, we call it signature candle. Also, when you see this block, you see this block, this blue line, all this blue here, like a bar.
Yeah, the blue bars,
it's called a stop block. This block is to show you that this zone is very tight on major or most time frame. Is very tight. It's very strong. So it will be easy for your stop loss to be hit because your stop loss is here. The blue line is always above your stop loss. So it's very rare for that to happen, to tap you out. So how to take smart monies? Whenever you see this block and you see the signature candle closed, you set your buy limit and you take the trade. Or if you see it and it's already that's already reversed and it's already at the entry, you take market execution.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Then another thing I want to show you. Also, it's okay for you if you want to check time frames here too. You know, this is on 5 minutes. Maybe okay, it says buy. You want to check, maybe let's go to 4 hour. Now you see, it's actually a buy. You know why it's a buy? I'll tell you why. If you took this trade for 4 hours, you would have made your money. Look at the signature candle. Can you see it now for the sell?
Yes.
And after that, what happened? No drawdown, zero drawdown. It came back to the entry, took you all the TP smashed. 6 times of your money would have been made today.
Exactly.
Now it's ready to buy for a while. Why is it ready to buy? If you look at it, when it comes to smart money concept, this thing is called order block. This one. This is another block. Do you see it now?
Yeah.
In another block, normally the market is supposed to go back to this place, to the supply zone. Do you see it now?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Smart monies, when you see trade idea from smart monies, 90% of all the trade ideas will always be a win. That is smart monies. Now, the third one, there are many ones, okay, but I just want you to focus on these 3 ones as a beginner to learn them. Keep learning them, using them. Kill shot. This one is called kill shot. Now, this one, all you need to check out on this one is simple, okay? I'll tell you. This one is for fast trade, okay? By the time you learn this one, also, I will show you how to use this confirm order scanners as well. But for now, all you need to learn on this one, you see all these signals here. Whenever you see the green, focus on the green and the red. They have the longest, surest signal. So when you see the green, it's buying.
Okay.
When you see the red, selling. Let's look for a red. Look at this red. Called for a sell here. You see it sold all the way down here, right?
Yeah.
Called for a buy here. And it bought up to this place. Now, these blue lines, what are they for? Whenever you see a blue star, if you are buying, whenever you see a blue star, make sure you take some profits, okay? Because blue star may be a reversal.
Okay.
Yes, it represents the major zone, represent major zones, but they are not as strong as the green and the red. The blue star are just for a short move, like higher high, higher low. You see it now, reversal, right? Hope you understand.
Yeah.
But the most important thing here are 2 important things you need to check after the red, and the red is for sell, the green is for buy. Apart from that, the other important thing is number 1, this line here, this straight line is called POC, point of control. Do you know what it does? Yes.
No.
It tells you where the volume is, where the power of the market is. So if you see it here, it means if the market is able to cross this place down, it's going to sell for a while. So if this market comes down, you can take a sell after a return. Do you get it now? You see when it broke, it came back, retested. Take a sell, you must make money here. At least target 1 to 2. Okay, so what do I mean by 1 to 2? So let's say when this came over, you see it broke this zone, came and tapped this place. The moment it broke this zone, you can set your sell limit around here. Your stop loss now, I'll talk about stop loss. That's very important. But let's leave the stop loss. The next thing now is the one that will determine your stop loss. So you target at least twice your reward. It will sell. Okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
So that is very important. Any market that is below this is be looking for sell. When the market is above this, be looking for buy. Okay? This line. All right. Now the last one, which is very strong, stronger than this one, is what we call this orange line. This one here, this one. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's called 238. It's just a number you use. They call it 238, line 238. Now, whenever you see this line, it's always difficult for market to break it.
Yeah.
So the moment you want to sell, always make sure the market is below this, and then the market is below this line. Now, your stop loss, if you want to be safe, must be above this one, because it's very difficult for market to break through. So in other words, your stop loss is safe above this if it's a sell. Hope you understand.
Yeah.
And if it's a buy, your stop loss must be below. Let's go to the past. When the market is above the 238, you see it's very difficult. Do you see the market after crossing over? It took time. The market got here, came back, keep going back. It's very difficult. So you look for sell. Now, when it's above, you see it now. When the market broke, do you get? When it breaks like that, you want to look for buy. But this market, is downtrend. So that's why the buy was not for long. It came down again and started sell. So 3 things you look out for. Number 1, you want to be sure when you are taking Q shot, the trend. And how to know the trend, you can go, like as usual, go to 4 hour, 1 hour, check where is the trend. Is it downward? If it's downward, you are looking for sell. You see, the trend is downward. You are looking for sell. So you go back to your 5 minutes. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to check is you want to make sure that the market is below this. If you are looking for sell and it's below this. Actually, the moment the market is below this one, you can start selling. Because if it's below this, only that you have to put your TP here. Because when you get here, also, this place also determines a lot. Okay, so this 238 is what you look out for. Don't look out for 238. If the market is below this, just sell. If it's above it, you buy. But you have to make sure. Yes, you have to make sure that the trend is either uptrend or downtrend. So if it's uptrend, you look for buy. Even if it's showing you sell, don't sell. Okay?
Okay.
Ado, do you have any question regarding this?
Yeah. No, this one is. I am only confused about the stars.
Okay, the stars. Tell me. The green.
Yeah.
When you see the green, it's a buy.
Okay.
When you see the red, it's a sell.
Okay.
After the red, what did you see? Sell.
Sell.
After the green, up. After the green, up. After the green, up. Do you see it now?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
After the red, sell.
Yeah.
After the red, sell. After the green, up. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So
what about the small rectangles that I'm seeing pointing?
Yes, that is a signal telling you to buy.
Okay.
It's also a signal telling you to buy. It comes alive when the buy is ready, when the buy is happening.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you wait for this one, sometimes it may be too late.
Okay.
So yeah. Any other question?
That's
Now, when you come to Q short, you don't even need to go check the time frame, like go to forward to check whether it's uptrend or downtrend. You use this board. Here, it's already telling you that M1, the market is down, M2, M5 down, M15, the trend is down, M30, the trend is down. So it means this market is entirely downtrend.
yeah.
You get? So here, if I were you, I would not even buy at all, even if it says buy. You'll be looking for sell. You'll be waiting for the red star to come. You sell. You're going to make money.
Okay.
Yes, that's the meaning of this board. It's telling you all the time frame, so you don't have to be checking. It's already telling you what is there. Now, the POC, this line, for 15 minutes, for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, this is telling you that for 15 minutes, the price is below, the market is below the POC, below. So everything is red. So you'll be looking for sell, avoid buy.
Okay.
Yes, imagine you are in this sell, you have made a lot of money.
For sure.
So if you have any question, do you have any other question?
No.
All right. So tomorrow, you'll be able to test it with other pairs when the market opens. But now it's only cryptocurrency you can trade on weekends. So I want you to practice this. I'm going to send you the recorded video. I'll see you another time. If you remember something, send me a message. Remember, Chano, my job with you is to help you succeed in trading Forex using this AI. Don't ever forget that. Ask me questions and you are in doubt, let me know. If you are confused, let me know. I'm going to be working with you, and my job is till you succeed. I will not rest. Okay?
Okay, sure. I'm very happy.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye.